Namaste children, happy to see you all. Welcome back to the session prepared by myself Ms. Satyapriya and presented by Ms. Sudha Sarani and Ms. Edilarasi. We are going to learn class 3 subject maths, topic multiplication 2, month September, week 3, total number of PPT 1 by 1. Learning objective. Children, you will learn to multiply a two-digit number by a two-digit number with and without regrouping. Expected learning outcomes. Children, at the end of the session, you will be able to multiply a two-digit number by a two-digit number with and without regrouping using multiplication and lattice method. Apply the concept of multiplication to solve the word problems. Let's start our session. Come children, let's do this activity. Identify all possible multiplication facts for each number. What we have to do? I'm going to show you the numbers. What you people have to do? You have to find out the all possible multiplication facts. Are you ready to find out the multiplication fact, children? Yes. The first number is 40. Yes, find out the multiplication fact, children. In the fifth table, find 5 8s are 40. Very good. We already learned when we are changing the order of the number, the product remains same. 8 5s are also 40. Yes. First we find it as 5 multiplied by 8. 5 8s are 40. So 8 5s are 40. Next, children, check in the fourth table. Yes, very good. 4 10s are 40. 10 4s are also 40. So the 40 have the multiplication facts of 5 8s are 40, 8 5s are 40, 4 10s are 40, 10 4s are 40. Very good children. Let's do it for the one more number. The number is 12. 12 is a very easy number. First check in the 2 table. 6 2s are 12. 2 6 are also 12. Third table. 4 3s are 12. Then 3 4s are also 12. Very good children. We find out the possible multiplication facts for the numbers. Next we are going to learn how to multiply a two-digit number by a two-digit number without regrouping using multiplication method and lattice method. Here without regrouping means without carry. Come, let's see the first method, multiplication. Multiply 22 by 31 using multiplication method. Here you have to write the one sentence. Write the numbers according to their places. In the 22, 2 in ones place, another 2 in tens place. Number 31, 1 must be the ones place, 3 should be the tens place. Mention the multiplication symbol. Draw the line. Here we are going to multiply the two-digit number with the two-digit number. 22 is the multiplicand, 31 is the multiplier. In the multiplier 31, the ones place we have a 1. First we have to multiply the 1 with the ones place number. Ones place number is 2. 1 2s are 2. Next, you have to multiply the ones place with the tens place digit. So 1 2s are 2. Next, what you have to do here? Then we are start multiplying from the tens place. So you have to write 0 in ones place. Then you can start multiplying tens place digit with the ones place digit. 3 twos are 6. Next you have to multiply 3 with the tens place digit. 3 twos are 6. Once your multiplication is over, draw the line. Start adding these two numbers. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. In the 100 place, we don't have any number. It should be considered as a 0. So 0 plus 6 is 6. When the number 22 is multiplied by 31, the product is 682. Next, we are going to discuss the lattice method by multiplying 22 by 31. In the below figure, you are seeing the lattice grid. Here we are going to multiply the 2 digit by 2 digit. The diagonals represents the ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Write the numbers 22 and then 31. Multiply the ones place number with the ones place number. Here 1 multiplied by 2, we get 2. The number 2 should be written as 0 in the above line, 2 in the below diagonal line. Next, we have to multiply 1 with the 2. 1 2s are 2. You can write 2 like this. Next, you can multiply the tens place digit. 3 multiplied by 2, we get 6. 6. In the number 6, 0 should be written in above the diagonal line. 6 should be the below the diagonal line. Next, we have to multiply the 3 with the 2. We have to write 3 2s are 6. Here 0 should be above the diagonal line. 6 should be below the diagonal line. Once the multiplication is over, start adding the diagonal numbers. In the ones place, we have only 2. Write 2 in ones place. In the tens place, we have 3 numbers. 6 plus 0 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Then write 8 in tens place. Next, add the 100 place. 0 plus 6 is 6. 6 plus 0 is 6. In the 1000, we don't have any number. It's a 0 only. You can write 0 in 1000. The product of 22 and 31 is 682. Next, we are going to learn how to multiply a 2-digit number by a 2-digit number with regrouping using multiplication method and lattice method. Here the word with regrouping. With regrouping means with carry. Let's learn the first method, multiplication method. Here you have to multiply 26 by 16 using multiplication method. Write the numbers according to their places. 26, 6 in ones place, 2 in tens place. Number 16, 6 ones place, 1 in tens place. Mention the multiplication symbol. Start multiplying from the ones place number. Ones place number here, 6 in the ones place. Start multiplying the ones place. 6 6 are 6 multiplied by 6. We get 36. In this 6, we can write in the ones place 3. must be carried. Next you have to multiply 6 with the tens place number. 6 twos are 12. You can add this 3 with the 12. We get 15. You can write 15 as it is here. Here you can write 15 as it is. Next we are going to multiply the 10-digit number. Here the 10-digit number is 1. Before that you have to write the 0 in the ones place. Next we are going to multiply the tens place number. Tens place number is 1. 1 with the 6. 1 6 are 6 ones are 6. Next we have to multiply the 1 twos are 2. Now our multiplication is over. The next step is you have to add these numbers. 6 plus 0 is 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. 1 should be the carry. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. The product of 26 and 16 is 416. Come, let's see the lattice method. Multiplying 26 by 16. Here also we are going to multiply the 2-digit by 2-digit. The diagonals represents the ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Write the numbers like this. Then start multiplying. 6 6 are 36. Write 3 in above the diagonal line, 6 in below the diagonal line. Next you can multiply. Next you have to multiply 6 with the 2. 6 twos are 12. You have to write 12 like this. Multiply 1 with the 6. 6 ones are 6. In the 6 you have to write 0 in above the diagonal line, 6 in below the diagonal line. 1 twos are 2. You can write 2 like this. Now our multiplication is over. Next step is what we have to do, children? Yes, we have to add these diagonal numbers. In the ones place we have only one number. The number is 6. You can write 6 in ones place. In the tens place we have 6, 3, 2. We have to add these three numbers. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. In this 11, 1 you can write in tens place. 1 must be the carry. Next we have to add the 100 place. Here we have 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. We have to write 4 in 100 place. In the thousands place, we don't have any number. Here we have only 0. You can write 0 in thousands place. Then the product of 26 and 16 is 416. The product of 26 and 16 is 416. Finally, we are going to learn how to solve the word problem. Ma'am is going to read the question. Listen carefully, children. In a hall, there are 20 seats in every row and 34 seats in every column. How many people can be seated in the hall? Read the question one or twice, children. Then we are going to list the facts. The first one, number of seats in every row is 20. Number of seats in every column is 34. The question is asked about how many people can be seated in the hall. Which operation you have to use, children? Yes, multiplication. In the number 34, 4 in ones place, 3 in tens place. In number 20, 0 in ones place, 2 in tens place. We have to start our multiplication from the ones place digit with the ones place. Here the ones place is 4 multiplied by 0. Any number is multiplied by 0, we get 0. Next, we have to multiply the ones place with the tens place digit. 4 twos are very good. 4 twos are 8. Next, we are going to multiply the tens place digit. So, you have to write 0 in ones place. Then start multiplying the tens place digit. 3 multiplied by 0. 3 into 0 is 0. Next, you have to multiply the tens place digit with the tens place. That means 3 twos are 6. Once your multiplication is over, start adding the number. 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 0 is 8. In the 100 place, we don't have any number. It should be considered as 0. 0 plus 6 is 6. Finally, we find out the 680 people can be seated in the hall. Summary. In this session, we learned how to multiply a 2-digit number by a 2-digit number with and without regrouping using multiplication and lattice method. Next, we learned how steps to solve the word problems and also learned how to solve the word problems using multiplication. Thank you, children. Thank you for today's session. We will meet on the next session. Stay home, stay healthy.